guys, what's up? Welcome back. Right now we're currently just cruising out to the desert, and today we're gonna get maybe some mild wheeling in. And what we're really going to do is we're gonna go shoot some guns. My buddy up ahead of us, he's got a 50 BMG. We're gonna go shoot that thing. It's my first time ever shooting that big of a rifle, so I'm pretty stoked. So yeah, let's cruise on out there and hit some dirt roads and shoot some guns. So we're cruising down the highway right now. I had some people ask me about my speed here. It's reading about 62 at 2,800 RPM. I'm in 5th gear. My speedo's way off though. I think we're doing about 75. So yeah. Drives like a dream. Those 488 gears just restored a ton of power into this thing. So thumbs up to Yukon gears. Now let's just hope they hold up for years and years to come of some off-road abuse. All right, so we made it out here to the middle of nowhere, just a straight road for miles and miles. Gonna put it in 4 high to get that front diff spinning and get those gears broke in, heat cycle them a little bit. This road is not the roughest or the smoothest road. I mean, it is pretty nice, but definitely good to break some springs in on. The ride quality is awesome on these springs, dude. I don't know, I've got kind of mixed, people have mixed feelings about them from what I've seen online and forums and all that, but dude, first-hand experience right here. So far, I give them, I'd say a 7 out of 10 for now. We are cruising down this road, we're doing like 55. Putting them Kings to work. Yeah, 4Runner feels great. They blow those Land Cruiser springs out of the water. I feel like they match the front rate so much better than the Land Cruiser springs did. But I'm gonna cruise down this road. This is awesome, and I'll update you guys in a minute. Beautiful day out here. A little overcast, but I love mobbing down some dirt roads. Making our way to where we're gonna go shooting. This road is nasty. Woo! I know it's hard to tell on camera and I'm just shooting out the front window, but it is super rutted out. But dude, this thing is feeling dialed. Like, oh man, so happy with it. It's been almost, well, it's been completely all winter since I've had this out last, and man, did I miss it. Got a little traffic jam here. Freaking Jeeps, get out of the way. Just kidding. I love anything off-road, man. Jeep, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, anything but Nissan.
Have you seen the one where the guy has a ricochet come back in his head?
Nuh-uh. Out here, we're gonna shoot this monstrosity. Sure. A little nervous.
Just a little?
Yeah, the size of that thing.
You're welcome to use them.
Yeah, we made it out to the desert.
That's okay.
Super stoked. gonna be, this is what I'm gonna be working with today. Just got a little Smith & Wesson AR-15. Just put this Bushnell red dot on it. I need to sight it in. Yeah. So, oops. Oh, just love that sound.
This chair is horrible.
I really want to.
And what? You have it loaded?
Yeah.
One of these?
Yeah.
You can shoot these too. Try them, see if there's a difference. If you want.
That is crazy. That $44. There's only 10. Horrible.
I've got that kind.
It's probably better.
Oh my gosh.
It definitely kicked.
Took my breath away, man.
Come stand out here.
I know. That's why I'm right here.
Okay, let me go forward.
That's amazing.
So we left this box here, completely disintegrated. It's just everywhere. That is hilarious.
The PMCs feel a lot more like a 378 Weatherby.
That is gnarly.
So these are snappier?
Yeah.
If you've ever shot a 50 cal, let me know. That's crazy.
Lighter bullet, more velocity, more snap.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Yep.
man.
Did you tell anywhere where you was hitting?
No. Are you kidding?
Yeah, first time shooting
Hey,
a 50
tell me what
cal.
you're aiming at.
What's that?
When you get your scope up, tell me what you're aiming at.
So we can see how close you are.
Yeah, this. How do you
Dirt.
have this?
I was aiming at dirt.
Did you hit it?
I think so. I couldn't
Head
tell.
on?
I couldn't tell. The trigger's actually pretty good.
I don't know. I'm just gonna aim at a bush.
Okay. We love it.
Oh, I'm a little nervous.
It's okay.
You'll be all right.
You're on video for the whole world, dude.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Woo!
Oh, did you see that hit up there? Brett,
Yep.
stand behind me.
Okay.
See the one green bush that's like the atoll, and then there's a couple of white rocks
Yeah, to the left of it.
just to the left of it. I'm gonna aim for the upper white rock that's to the left of it.
So the closest one to the tree,
Yeah,
and it's up and to the left, or the one directly to the left?
one directly to the left.
Okay, big bright white one.
Yep.
Okay. About 15 feet straight low. You can see the cloud of dirt. That's
I
right.
felt like about 15 feet.
Yeah, I think you nailed it.
That's really not bad to shoot.
Well, it's got some
It
more
just scares the hell out of you.
Yeah, you tell me when you're ready.
Okay, here we go again.
Okay. You hit it. I almost feel like it's a sniper gun. You gotta try this, Austin.
My gun doesn't want to get sighted in.
Sideways.
Yeah, I can
Boom.
put taller rings on it. That's nothing.
But you're gonna mess your scope up. Just right now.
You see how good I mount scopes?
Yeah,
I mean, I'm just gonna put it back on and it's gonna
it's
shoot.
gonna be good.
Yeah, I do like the gun.
Watch my that GoPro fell off.
Probably. It does jump severely every time you shoot, but
Donnie would love that.
yeah. Nailed it.
Seems way better.
Yeah, it's really close.
That's all she wrote. All right, well, that's it for the shooting part of this video. It's really windy out here. I'll have to get my AR sighted in kind of another day, but it was fun to come out here and shoot. That 50 cal is freaking gnarly, man. Holy cow, I've never shot one of those before. It was a pretty awesome experience. So if you guys are into guns and trucks and all that kind of stuff, maybe we'll add more of this into it. But yeah, it's awesome to be out in the desert, and let's go do some exploring. So you just saw me drive over the one boulder I found out here in the desert. So ARB's working great, compressor's working. All right, what's up, guys? So had a super fun day out here in the desert shooting guns. Got some miles on the gears on the dirt roads. It was fun to shoot some guns, and make sure you follow along, hit like, subscribe, because we got more to come on the 4Runner. We got the FJ45 build that's going to be getting started again. We put that on the back burner for far too long now. It's time to get that thing ripping. So thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll talk to you later. Party on.